presenting the Ram 2019 1500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 25A Tradesman, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, power steering, power windows and rear folding seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.